Here we will write a Python program to accept list elements and print elements from odd and even positions. So first we will open the IDE, then we will add new file, and in comment line we will write program description. First we will define empty list, then we will accept number of list elements that we are going to accept from the user. So int input, enter number of elements. Then we will define one variable I which is initialized with 0. Then we will use while loop to accept the elements. So while I less than n, in E we will accept the element. So E equal to int input, enter element, L dot append E, and we will increase the I. So I equal to I plus 1. Then first we will print elements at even positions. So we will write the message first using print. So print elements at even position. We will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will check if I mod 2 equal to 0. We will print the list element. So print L of I, and we will increase I. Before that we will set here I equal to 0. Then we will print elements at odd position. Here we will initialize I equal to 0 and we will use while loop. So while I less than n, we will check if I mod 2 not equal to 0. We will print L of I and we will increase I. Then we will save this and we will execute this. I will enter number of element as 5 and I will enter the elements. It will print elements at even position as 2, 7, 1, that is 0, 2 and 4, and elements at odd position as 4 and 5, that is element 1 and element 3.